Welcome to J&J's test video of SVLE338. This is a 97 LX450. Had a blowout right there. Took the molding and the bumper out and the fender. That was it. Somebody started refurbishing it. Has 325,000 miles on it. Still runs and drives. Open it up, let you listen to it. Oh, the hood won't stay up, but that's okay. Nice and quiet. Idling away. Sunroof works. One of the mirrors works. The seats aren't bad. The tracks are bad, but somebody recovered the seats. All the door panels are nice. Tape deck works. Runs and drives okay. There's your 325 970. The driver's door inside handle doesn't work though, so we drive. Put her in neutral. And we'll go back to low. Put her back into drive. And now you're in low. Alright. Back in neutral, back in that high, back in drive. Now you're in drive. Still holds pretty good oil pressure. Yeah, it's not too bad. I'll do a little circle. Show you reverse works. It's got some miles on it, but you never know, it might have more. Alright, let's test that mirror real quick. Alright, that does it. SVLE338. Broken outside, inside door handle. As always, thank you for watching, and have your pets spayed and neutered.